Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's look was inspired by, I don't remember if it was Mitchell or Stacy, but I will put their Instagram on the screen. But it was kind of difficult to recreate, so I'm not really that good with liquid liner. But if you guys want to watch me struggle to recreate this look, then keep watching. So today we are dipping into the matte book, and surprisingly this is the only palette I have that has like the perfect burgundy in it, and I just realized it was in here. But I'm going to be using that burgundy in my crease. Using the M506, I'm going to grab the orange and use that one to help blend out the burgundy. I'm just going to be adding a little bit of this one because it's a little bit brighter and it makes a huge difference. Okay, so at this point I'm going to take the yellow from the Crayon case palette and I'm going to blend out the orange. So now I'm just going back and forth between the orange and the yellow to make sure everything is showing up like I want it to and everything is blended. Forgot to mention, well, I forgot to even do it, but we're going to be using light colors on your eyelids such as white or like nude or a shimmery color. You want to make sure you use an eyeshadow primer because some reason I always forget, but my eyelid always creases for some reason. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but when I use whites or like nudes or whatever, it always creases. So make sure you use a eyelid primer, and the one I usually use is the one by Urban Decay. So yeah, that's the one I usually use, but I just forgot to put it on today, but I just wanted to let you guys know. So I'm going to be doing a halo with my Revolution concealer, and I'm using a, where is it? A M213 brush. It's a small concealer brush. Most of these brushes that I have from Morphe are from the Beige phase. People keep asking me about brushes. Somebody asked me, do I let my concealer dry before I put on my colors? And the answer is no. I don't really know how to explain it, but I just take my brush and I just tap it because it kind of mattifies it, if that makes sense. But I do that to make sure everything is like smooth, and then I go right in with my colors. Because you still want it to be sticky. You want your eyeshadow to stick to it, so you don't want to completely let it dry. That's just my opinion, because some people set their eyelids before they put the color down, and I can't do that. I can't. Alright, so we're going back into the burgundy to blend out the corners. And y'all excuse my nails. I don't get my nails done no more because I can't have long nails. And I know I can go like get them polished and stuff, but I'm like, why would I pay somebody to just polish my nails? Well, honestly, I could do it myself. And now I'm taking the orange. So this part is going to be really hard. I don't even know if I can do it on camera, but I feel like I need to because it's like one of the main things. Like, it makes it look stand out. But I'm going to take this blue eyeliner from NYX, and I can't see. It's called Extreme Blue. I'm going to take that and line my crease, and then I also did like a wing. So we're going to see. So I also do a really thin line first. So I'm going to do a thin line of black liner across my eyelid, my mascara, my lashes, and then I'll be back to show you guys how I did the blue wing, if I can do it on camera. Hopefully I can. Somebody please tell me why I did not do this before I put the lashes on. Okay, because this not gonna work. So I actually ended up having to do the liner off camera, and then I got my mascara down here, like it transferred, and so now I just feel like it's a failed look. Alright you guys, so we are done with this look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one.